This is intriguing. Very intriguing. Why is this one $5 and this one's $3? Is that right? This is the exact same number. Whoa, I think they fucked up on that. That's pretty funny. Oh, let's grab that. Yes, this is what I was looking at. Ah, this is intriguing. Yeah. What is this, just acrylic? Oh no, there's actually all logo. Alright, yeah, fair enough. Let me stop talking shit. Oh, I can get a fuck ton of canvases. Ooh, now that is a cop, I'm not gonna lie. I was gonna get tiny ones. 7 big ones. Bro, this is pure inspiration. A blank canvas is fucking like... It's... Oh, man. It's the perfect constraint. But you can still capture infinity. Oh my god, I love art. Fuck me. Alright, gang. We have decisions to make. So, my current budget is minimum 40, max 65. Okay? Now, at first I was gonna get these bigger canvases, but then I saw these smaller ones, and I like these instead. So it's the same price, but it's just 8x10s, and I get 10 in instead of the 7. And I like these more, just because they're smaller, which means I can complete them faster. I do want to cop these Sharpies because I have I have the colored Sharpie acrylic. These are like acrylic based. I have the colored version of these. They're not here. Ooh, what are these? These look cute as fuck. Creative marker. Oh, is this the same one as... I think this is probably the same. Oh, it's dueling. Oh, that's pretty cool. That's sick. But I basically have like colored version of these Sharpie ones at the crib, and I really love those. So getting a black and white one would actually be really good. So I definitely want to cop these, and these are just $5. So that's the cop for sure. The light for sure, because like for reading, and the canvases. So this is 13, 18, and then 21, and then this would be 50. No. Yeah, 30, so 51. That's not bad, actually. That's actually not bad. 51 is actually not bad. I think that's good. I should probably leave this aisle. Yeah, let's leave this aisle. You know what? Let's take this. Let's take our winnings and go. And then, oh, that is a part of our winnings. All right. Guess I should have grabbed the basket. I didn't think I was going to get this much shit. You should always anticipate getting more shit than you anticipated in Hobby Lobby, I think. I think that's probably a good bet. I want origami paper. Where's that? Here? I mean, I imagine it might... It's probably either over there and I passed it, or it's over here. Watch. Do they have gesso? I mean, of course they have gesso. The fuck? But I should get some. Excuse me. Hi. I was looking for some gesso. Could you point me in that direction?
Yes. Back towards this ramp, it's the second one from the end.
Gotcha. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Alright, so we definitely passed it. Alright, so let's find this origami paper. Actually, I don't know why I don't ask you. Excuse me. I actually wanted to find some origami paper as well. Did you happen to know? Is that as well?
Right here.
Okay.
There's some more on the end cap of that aisle.
Actually, this is exactly what I'm looking for.
Perfect.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Oh yeah, we're out here. Okay, so we got this. Can we just get like, what is it, 45? Yeah, that's lit. I don't want to get a bunch, just because I'm not like crazy in origami when I was a kid, but I do still want to try things. Excuse me. All good. Let's get get in there. There we go. So is it this one over here? Thank you so much. Okay, yeah. Okay, this makes sense, right? Gesso would be where paint is. That would make sense. Okay. Over here. It's all paint. No, gesso comes in a white tube. It's gotta be down here, no? Ah, there it is. Gesso. Okay. Let's see which one we're gonna cop. Let's put this down. Oh, okay. There you go. So we have spray, and then we have it plant. What's the spray about? $9? Not bad. Okay, so there's matte. Okay, so the bottle would be $9. Okay, so it's basically the same one for the bottle. I think this is just out of my range. Let's see though. let's math it up. Let's math it up. Alright, like I said, 65. So we got 13 for the canvases, plus 5 for the paper. Yep. Plus 30 for the markers. And then another 5 for the Sharpies. And 3. Okay, that is 56. Yep, that's definitely in our range. Tough. Alright, whatever. Alright, I'm out of here. Let's get it. March. I don't know what I'm doing. Hi. Yes, everything was amazing. Too amazing.
That's good.
Where I should have gotten a thing.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
It's no problem. Ugh. Actually, yes. There we go. I always forget you guys don't have tap to pay, so I have to transfer that in my Apple Wallet. There we go. Oh, it's okay. I don't need it. Oh, okay. Oh, all right. Thank you so much. You have a great one. Lydiana. Oh yeah, I'm up. What a beautiful day. Life is amazing. Life is also cold sometimes. Stay warm, my friends. Stay warm. Yo, gang, don't mind if my hair looks a little crazy. So, I'm out, and I was just bumping Get Lost from Moana 2. Yo, that shit is a fucking banger. No cap. I forgot her name. Dang, I forgot who sung that. But the actress who sung that, the one who sung that, she is amazing. But I was just jamming, right? And I was dancing to that shit. I was grooving, as I do, right? And I was letting all these people in. All right, well, there's not many. Okay, that was a bad example. But when I was dancing, I was dancing like across. What's that thing called? What are those things called? Crosswalk? Yeah. Crosswalk. I was dancing across a crosswalk, right? And obviously there were people stopped in front of the crosswalk. I know they were looking at me. And so I was thinking, at times like that, like I be out here dancing and shit, and I don't hold back when I'm dancing. Granted, does ego come in my head a bit and be like, oh no, I'm scared. What if I get judged? It's like, yeah, of course that happens. And that was happening just now. But you know what I just thought about? I was like, yo, what if my embodiment inspires them to become more embodied in their own authenticity? Right? I was like, yo, I'm not gonna lie, bro. I feel like me fucking dancing like a psychopath because I just love life and I love music, and I'm not scared to express that or show that, no matter who sees me. Like, I'm willing to show that to the entire fucking world, bro. You know what I mean? And it's like, when other people see that, they may judge that in me, but that's only because they're judging the part of themselves that isn't embracing that. You know what I'm saying? You're only judging in others what you're judging in yourself. That's a fact. It's a fact. So it's like my embodiment of authenticity and me ruthlessly expressing through being a fucking psychopath when I'm dancing. It can be healing for other people. Bet you never heard that one before, did you? Yoink. Yoink. You gotta get some vibes going in here. Get that here. Get this out of my way. Get this out of my way. Yoink. Not feeling that. Let's get some fade going, actually. Yeah, I like that. Get this one. Okay. Of course that's not lit. Of course that's not lit. There you go. Cool, yeah. Got that. Let's just throw this anywhere. Alright, actually not there. Not there. here's what we got. W for these things. These. W. Now I have the ones like, yeesh. You see? So I got these ones, not those. These ones, just like you see. So I got black and white now. So that's cool. That's litty. Got some Oregon pipe. Oh, this is so exciting, I swear. This is so exciting. Yeah, I'm about to make a ninja star. Oh yeah. That's money right there. Real money and figurative money. And then the big Bertha. You know what I mean? I feel like I have to just do this just because I did that. Might as well do this too, right? I'm him. Yeah. W hauls. Big dubs. Huge dubs, in fact. What do you think, guys? Huge dubs? Yes? Lick if it's a dub. Alright, we got a lick from Brownie. Lizzie doesn't care. We got 2 licks from Brownie. We'll take it. Damn. That was a horrible talus. I should have overhooded it. I don't know why I did like underhand. There we go. I am a bucket. Don't play with me.